Go ahead. Chris, get out. You gotta go to jail. You going to jail. Belle, get him out the car. Belle, get him out the car. Get him out the car. Get out. Belle, get him out. Get him out. Oh, there they go. They're coming. They're coming. Belle, get him out. Get him out. Here we go.
Come on, Chris. Get off the seatbelt.
Get on. Undo a seatbelt. Undo a
seat.
seatbelt. Undo a seatbelt. Undo a seatbelt.
Lana, get off. Get a seatbelt before you be going too.
Lana, open a seatbelt. Undo a seatbelt.
So you go too. You gonna go too.
Undo a seatbelt.
Let me call him. Be quiet. Be quiet. I'm about to call him. If y'all shut up, be quiet before you go too.
Where you going? Here's Belle. Get a seatbelt off before they drive off.
Okay. All right. Y'all don't gotta get him this time. All right. Yeah, if he ever pull it again, if he flip in the store again, if he don't listen to his mama, you can come get him. All right. All right, bye. They said they're gonna get you this time, but maybe tomorrow. Nobody make you go to jail. You pulled it yourself. No, Lana. You almost made both y'all go to jail.
Oh, we gotta wipe your mouth, Mama. Belle, you should have called them back and told them to come bring the cop car to put them in the back. They couldn't take you in the fire truck because they got work to do. But they going to bring the cop car back.
They said if he give you any problems, chance to call the cop. They'll be pick him up. That includes their school too. What you want? You act like you is not comfortable drinking this thing.
What? Her passport back there?
Now listen to your sister. What did you say?
We missed them. We got to call them back. Belle got the phone. She about to call them. You gotta go to funniest home video. You know I want Christian to go. I want want Christian to go because Christian don't listen to nothing nobody says. So you're going to go to jail. You're going to go straight to jail. I'm going to let you go to jail. Bell, call him. 911. 911. 911. You talking back. You talking back. Call him. He acting up. He really going crazy.
I need y'all to come back to McDonald's. Whoa. You want to talk to him?
That's the cop.
You want to talk to the cop? Be quiet. What you gonna do? What you gonna do from now on?
You going to listen? You going to listen? You better say you're going to listen or I'm going to call them. Daddy can't help you. He can't help you from the cops.
Be quiet.
You better start listening because now I'm going to call them. I'm going to tell them that when you don't listen, they're going to come and put you in a jail cell. And rats going to be running around your bed. And you ain't going to have no food to eat.
And they tell you going home going to bed.
As soon as you get in the house, you better take off them darn clothes and get in the bed. If not, I'm going to tell them to come to our house and take you because they live right around the corner. Watch when we go home, I'm going to drive you past the police station so you can see all the cars.